This time of year, we're constantly watching the tropics for any developments, but what makes a minor disturbance turn into a monster storm?
Craig Moeller explains in today's Hurricane Fast Fact.
In 1979, Typhoon Tip expanded to have a wind diameter of almost 1,400 miles, making it the largest tropical system on record. Let's take a look at how these systems form. When you consider tropical storms and hurricane formation, you really need some ingredients to come together in just the right way. You need to have some kind of lift at the surface, and you start to see that. Maybe it's a tropical wave, or there's an old frontal boundary that's kind of dying out over the ocean waters. Well, you get the lift, showers, and storms that develop, and you'll see more and more of that, but it's important you have light winds aloft. If you have strong winds, it'll blow the system apart. You also need really warm ocean water. We're talking temperatures 80 degrees or warmer. This supplies the energy. That warm, moist air rises, and it really feeds into these systems. Now, once you get these clusters of showers and storms, and they start to rotate around one another, it takes on tropical characteristics. It becomes a tropical depression. Once the winds get over 38 miles per hour, it's a tropical storm, all the way up to 73 mile per hour winds. Above that, we have a hurricane, and if it gets strong enough, you might get an eye, you might get very heavy banding. This is a monster.
All right, these monstrous systems will keep churning until one of five things happens. They make landfall, they move over colder water, they encounter vertical shear and get blown apart, drier air gets sucked into them, or they get absorbed by another system.